Hello everyone, welcome back to Japanese IRL, where I'll be introducing a Japanese word or phrase that I've heard in real life. Welcome new subscribers. Thank you so much to the returning subscribers. This is Neko Mimi, and today we are all about Kinkyuu Jitai. This video is going to be a little bit different, very hastily shot and edited, but I just wanted to get it up and ready for you right away. Yeah. Anyway, Kinkyuu Jitai is a state of emergency. A lot of the headlines that you might see if you're watching this video as soon as it comes out is Kinkyuu Jitai Sengen Hatsurei, which basically means like emergency, like state of emergency declaration, official announcement. It's coming. So let's break that down. So Kinkyuu means emergency, and Jitai means like a state of affairs or a situation, and it's usually not good. What was the next one? Sengen means like a declaration, and Hatsurei is like an official announcement. So today is Monday, April 6th, 2020, and we have learned that the Prime Minister Abe, is expected to officially announce a Kinkyuu Jitai soon. It could be today, it could be Wednesday, I don't know. You tell me, you're watching this in the future. Has it happened yet? So in a nutshell, it's very complex, but in a nutshell, here are some things that happen in a Kinkyuu Jitai Sengen. So the governors of each prefecture are the ones that actually declare the lockdowns, but that can't happen until the Prime Minister officially declares the Kinkyuu Jitai. So this is from a Japan Times article, and it says, even if a state of emergency is declared, citywide lockdowns, as seen in other countries hit hard by the coronavirus, such as China and France, cannot be enforced under Japanese law. People will not be punished if they do not fall in line. Neither can business activity be banned. Okay, so here are some things that they can do. In the event that hospitals become overrun and new ones need to be quickly set up, as has been the case elsewhere, such as in China and the United States, governors will be able to expropriate private land and buildings if rejected by their owners and users for no legitimate reason. They can also requisition medical supplies and food from companies that refuse to sell them and punish those that hoard or do not comply. They can force firms to help transport emergency goods. So yeah, Kinkyuu Jitai is a complex situation. It is a little different from other countries, including my own. I am American. So yeah, there's a lot of things to consider in a Kinkyuu Jitai. I would love to hear your experiences and examples with the phrase Kinkyuu Jitai in the comment section down below, and let me know, are you somewhere where there's a Kinkyuu Jitai currently, and how is that? What's up with that? How do you feel about this Kinkyuu Jitai Sengen Hatsurei that is imminent in Japan? The show notes are in the description box down below for your convenience. Yeah. So please be sure to click that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more Japanese IRL, because I don't have a set schedule right now and I don't know when the next one is, and notifications are the best way to let you know when there's a new Japanese IRL for you from Neko Mimi and myself.
Ouchi de sugosou.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye. I would love to hear